My name's Iechyd. I'm a GP and the Clinical Director at Cardiff and Vale Health Inclusion Service, which is also known as CAVHIS. CAVHIS is a service within the Cardiff and Vale University Health Board, which currently offers valuable public health screening, healthcare and short to medium term support to individuals who have some of the poorest health outcomes and typically face the most barriers when accessing health services. The different groups CAVHIS supports include newly arrived people seeking sanctuary or asylum and refugees, individuals who are experiencing homelessness and those affected by sex work. We also support specific cohorts of people leaving prison or on probation and members of the Gypsy Roma traveller community who may be passing through the area. Additionally, we also run clinics for those who are unable to access primary care in the traditional way due to violent or aggressive behaviour. CAVHIS's approach is evidence-based, flexible, trauma-informed and based on giving value and dignity to the people we serve. We have a permanent team based in the Cardiff Royal Infirmary offering public health screening and temporary healthcare to newly arrived asylum seekers and refugees, but we recognise the groups of people we support often face many barriers when it comes to accessing healthcare. So a significant part of our model is to take our services out into the community in what we call outreach clinics. The outreach clinics are a team of nurses and a GP who hold scheduled walk-in clinics in high needs hostels, probation sites and locations where key third sector support services are based and in parlours across the city. In addition, we also respond with partners to offer health support to members of the Gypsy Roma traveller community who are travelling through the area by taking our services directly to them. We have a team based at the University Hospital of Wales to support all of the population groups I mentioned earlier when they attend the EU or are admitted onto a ward. CAVHIS is able to operate our services due to the strong partnership working we have with other health teams, local authorities, statutory services and third sector organisations. For example, to deliver our outreach clinics for people experiencing homelessness, we work closely with Cardiff Council and key third sector organisations including the Iechyd, the Salvation Army and the Wallich. These collaborations enable us to reach individuals where they are, providing care and support in safe, familiar environments. Another very valued partner is the British Red Cross, who are co-located with us in the Cardiff Royal Infirmary, offering help and advocacy beyond what could be offered in healthcare. So this may be around asylum process issues, accessing solicitors and basic needs such as access to food and clothing. So if you or someone you know falls into the groups CAVHIS supports, there are a number of different ways you can access our service, and you can find full information on how to do this via our website.